You hit buy on a stock trading at exactly $438. But when you check your account a second later, your actual fill price is 40, maybe 50 cents higher. You've already lost money before the trade even begins. Then comes the second problem. You watch the stock climb, feel great about it, but when the price suddenly reverses, you freeze. You hold on, hoping it bounces back, because you never set a specific rule for when to get out. Today, we are fixing both of these issues. First, we will secure your exact entry price. Then, we will set up a strict visual safety net to handle your exits. Stripping away those hidden entry fees and removing panic from your sell decisions is step one to managing risk like a professional. Look at this standard trading dashboard. Most beginners start right here, selecting the default market order without knowing what it really does. A market order tells your broker to buy your shares immediately, regardless of the cost. It forces you to accept whatever price the current sellers are demanding. To see why that costs you money, look at this order book diagram. Buyers are lined up on the left, but you need to focus on the sellers stacked on the right. Each seller is asking for a slightly higher price than the last. When you place a large market order, it instantly eats through the cheapest available shares. To fill the rest of your order, the system forces you up the ladder, buying from the more expensive sellers. This hidden penalty, called slippage, hits your portfolio hardest when you buy smaller cap stocks that have fewer active traders. By using a market order, you prioritize a fast fill over a fair price, handing complete control of your capital over to the sellers. You take that control back by switching your execution method to a limit order. Instead of accepting the market rate, you select limit, enter your exact share quantity, and type in the absolute maximum price you are willing to pay. Your order now sits patiently in the system. It will not execute until a seller agrees to meet your exact price, down to the penny. A limit order protects your initial capital. It guarantees your exact entry price, ensuring you never overpay just to get into a trade quickly. Now that you've secured your shares at the right price, you need a plan to manage the trade and protect your profits as the stock moves. Start by opening your stock chart and setting the time frame to daily or 1D. This filters out the noisy minute-by-minute intraday price swings. Next, open your indicators menu. Type in Supertrend and select it. Before relying on it, verify the default settings. You want the mathematical parameters set to exactly 10 and 3. This tool takes complex price momentum and simplifies it into one clear mathematical line on your chart. You will now see this stepped green line running directly beneath the rising stock price. As the stock climbs, this line automatically steps upward to follow it. Your first rule is simple. As long as the daily price stays anywhere above this green boundary, you hold the position. Even if the stock dips, you do nothing. Your exit is triggered only when a daily price candle drops and fully closes below that green line. When that happens, the trade is over, and you sell. Because the Supertrend line rises behind the stock, it functions as an automated trailing stop loss, continually locking in a higher floor for your profit margins. Following this single visual cue forces you to execute disciplined exits, effectively eliminating the urge to panic sell during minor pullbacks. Let's look at the complete system. You command your entry price with a limit order, and you manage your exit with the daily Supertrend acting as your mathematical floor. To build your muscle memory safely, test this exact workflow using a watch quantity, buying just 1 or 2 shares, before committing larger capital. Replacing emotional reactions with strict visual rules is the crucial step to building consistent long-term returns in the market.